So we finally moved the car in, and tell me why I'm barely noticing. Where's it at? You guys see that little curb? I don't remember hitting my car with anything, but I guess we have a chipped rim now, so we gotta replace the whole. Might as well just replace the whole wheel setup. So yeah, you guys let me know down in the comments what's the best wheel for this car. I was thinking about some Graham lights, maybe some 57. I'm pretty sure they're DRs or CRs, but yeah, I think that would be like a fire setup. Maybe like the semi-gloss black ones or something like that. Yeah, and we need new tires as well, so you know, might as well just get the whole package. But yeah, today we're gonna be installing the puddle lights on my doors because I'm kind of tired of seeing the yellow ones. Honestly, for me, so it would be this part right here. But honestly, this should have came from stock. I feel like it's already like a luxury vehicle that should be carrying this, you know? So I know I told you guys I was gonna stay consistent with uploading, but your boy's kind of been slacking a bit. And we're finally back with another video. I did have another video lined up for New Year's, but I kind of scratched that idea because I couldn't do the Chrome delete. And I basically just ended up frustrated with that video. So I'll probably just end up paying like a shop to do it or something like that. Because we do have to get new tints as well. Yeah, the guy that did my tints before kind of fucked up my tints. So we got a lot to do to this car, and we'll get it done eventually. You know, I'm gonna try to stay consistent for you guys. I know I uploaded like a car show, or it was like a cars and coffee, but my audio was bugged, so you guys couldn't really hear me at all. And yeah, so I'm gonna give you guys a few updates with the car. We did take off the wrap that I put for the tail light. We did take that off because it was uneven and I didn't really like it. And yeah, so you guys in the comments finally won. I know some of you guys were telling me that it was uneven, so yeah, I ended up looking at it, and you know, I just want everything to be perfect, so I couldn't really stand like the wrap from one side being perfect and then the other side was just really uneven. Getting started with the install, I'll show you guys like a before and after, but these lights are really good quality. I was already looking at them on eBay, but I feel like the eBay ones were really cheap, so I ended up getting them from a good website, and I'll show you guys right now. I'll leave the link to these in the description if you guys want to go ahead and cop them. You guys let me know if you guys want to see like my face in the videos, or is it just like point and then just do the install. You guys let me know. However you guys like it, I'll start doing it. I am trying to like upload more, so yeah, these are the lights. So it comes in pair. I believe it's Lexus IS350. And yeah, so in total it was like $50, I'd say. It's not bad because they are good quality. All right, so I'm pretty sure you just pop it out and it's just plug and play, I'd say. So let's set up the camera and see if I can do it for you guys real quick. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna pop it out with the tool they give us, and yeah, it should be fairly easy. So yeah, plug and play. So then after you unplug it, you just unplug the light. You guys have to be really careful with this because it could break your bulb. But yeah, just plug and play. And yeah, we just popped it out. It's fairly easy to pop out as well. It's not really hard or anything. So yeah, let's plug in the new ones already. So yeah, you guys could tell like the quality of these are really good quality. They also told me that these are like non-fade resistant, so they won't turn yellow or anything. We got to figure out now what side is which. I'm pretty sure it doesn't really matter, but yeah, see if it works. You guys are not gonna be able to see it right now just because it is daytime, but I'll most likely wait till the night so you guys can see like the end result and all that. But yeah, we're plugging them in. The fitment's pretty nice. You know, doesn't look like it's aftermarket or anything. As well with these, you guys could also move like the sensors, so you guys will be able to tell how far you want the image to appear on the floor. If you guys want it like closer or like further out, it just depends if you want it stretched out. So there is a little clip right here. You're gonna want to press on it, maybe hold on it, depending on you know, just hold on it and it should just like slide out. Yeah, so press on the tab and then slide it out. So yeah, it's plugged in, plug and play. So both sides are already plugged in. As well, I did mention that you guys can move it from like side to side. You could kind of see it, but yeah, I'm most likely gonna have it like close to the door so like the image is not too stretched out. But yeah, I've seen reviews on these two and they're really good quality, so you know, it just really caught my eye. Simple mod, having no effect as well with closing the door, so they won't get damaged or anything. So it's finally nighttime. I could finally show you guys the end result. You could stretch it out to however you want it, but I'm probably gonna keep it closer. I think this should be good. So yeah, so it doesn't look too tacky or, you know, too stretched out. Yeah, so this is a good spot. You guys go check them out. They sell them for the IS, ISF, ES, all models. Yeah, it's a really good quality, as you guys can tell. So yeah, that's how it came out. I hope you guys liked the video. And yeah, it came out really nice. You guys as well, let me know down in the comments if you guys want me to record more car shows, cars and coffee, etc. Maybe, I don't know yet, I might head out to Texas 2K. So you guys let me know down in the comments if that's something you guys would like to see. I'm pretty sure it's like a month away. Tickets are cheap. You know, I'm not that far away from Texas, so who knows, maybe I'll be out there and vlogging for you guys. And you guys remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm sorry about this video, is also really short. I know I've been promising you guys to, you know, record more, but this year I kind of made it a goal to like be more consistent and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll be popping out with more videos. You guys let me know if I should have like a set schedule on when to upload and stuff like that. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.